Hey everyone, want to check the health of your external hard drive or SSD using CrystalDiskInfo? Monitoring the health of external storage devices can help you detect potential hardware problems before they lead to data loss. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to check external drive health with CrystalDiskInfo step by step, so let's get started. First, connect your external hard drive or SSD to your computer using a compatible USB cable. Wait a few moments until Windows recognizes the device before opening CrystalDiskInfo. Now open CrystalDiskInfo from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. The application will scan for supported storage devices, including many external drives that provide smart information. If multiple drives are listed, select your external storage device from the drive list. Once selected, CrystalDiskInfo will display its available health information. Look at the health status and temperature shown near the top of the window. These indicators provide a quick overview of your external drive's condition. If the health status changes to caution or bad, back up your important files immediately. Scroll down to review the smart attributes. Depending on your drive and USB enclosure, you may see information such as power on hours, reallocated sectors, error counts, remaining life, and other diagnostic values. If your external drive doesn't appear in CrystalDiskInfo, the USB enclosure or adapter may not support smart pass-through. In that case, try connecting the drive using a different enclosure, USB adapter, or directly to a SATA port if possible. And that's how to check external drive health with CrystalDiskInfo. By monitoring your external storage device's health status, temperature, and smart information, you can identify potential problems early and better protect your important files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.